Good morning students. Today my topic is trigonometry. As you have already learnt about 6 terms: sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Now we are going to discuss about these 6 terms with big angles and small angles. First of all, we will draw the table. This is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Here angle is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and this is your angle again 360 degree. The value of angle 0 degree and 360 degree are same. First of all, here is A, S, T, C. It means A means all positive. All angles are positive, all positive. Here S means sine and its reciprocal cosecant theta will be positive and other are negative. Here T means tangent theta and its reciprocal cot theta will be positive and other are negative. Here C means cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta will be positive and other will be negative. First of all, we will find the value of sine 90 degree minus theta. We will find the value of this term with the help of this table. Here is sine 90 degree minus theta. If there will be 90 degree or 270 degree, then sine theta will convert into cos theta and cos theta will convert into sine theta. Because there is angle 90 degree, so sine theta will convert into cos theta. Now we will check the sign, whether it is positive or negative. Because there is angle 90 degree minus theta. Here is 90 degree minus theta. Something is subtracted from 90 degree. It means 90 degree minus theta in first quadrant. And first quadrant A means all positive. So it will be plus cos theta. Now we will find the value of sine 90 degree plus theta. Again, here is angle 90 degree. 90 degree means sine theta will convert into cos theta. And 90 degree plus theta. Now we will check the sign. 90 degree, something is adding into it. 90 degree plus theta. It means in second quadrant. Second quadrant means sine theta will be positive. Again positive plus cos theta. Now we will find the value of tangent 90 degree minus theta. In tangent case, tan theta will be converted into cot theta and cot theta will be converted into tan theta. Here tan 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree means tan theta will convert into cot theta. Now we will check the sign, whether it is positive or negative. 90 degree minus theta means something is subtracted from 90 degree. It means first quadrant A means all positive. So it will be positive. Now we will check the value of tan 180 degree minus theta. Now you have to learn about one thing. 180 degree or 360 means tan theta remains same. 180 because here is 180 degree, so tan theta will be same, tan theta. Now we will check the sign 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree is here. Something is subtracted from 180 degree. 180 degree minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive and tan will be negative. So this is minus tan theta. Thank you students.